Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win the podium vehicle every time. To begin, ensure you are in a public session and have not spun the lucky wheel in the last 24 hours. Approach the wheel and prepare to execute a specific timing method. This guide will walk you through the steps to increase your odds significantly, aiming for that coveted top prize. It's all about precision and a little bit of patience. The key to this method lies in timing your spin. Once you are at the lucky wheel, wait for a specific visual cue, often a slight pause in the wheel's animation or a particular in-game clock time. Many players find success by waiting for the spin prompt to appear, then counting a few seconds before initiating the spin. This precise delay is crucial for influencing where the wheel lands. For optimal results, approach the lucky wheel and wait for the spin prompt to appear on your screen. Once it does, count slowly to 4 seconds. After this brief pause, gently push your left joystick from the 12 o'clock position to the 3 o'clock position. This slow, quarter-circle motion, executed with precision, is often cited as the most effective technique for landing on the vehicle space. Mastering this technique takes a bit of practice, so don't be discouraged if you don't win on your first try. Remember, you can only spin the lucky wheel once every 24 hours in real-world time. If you miss the vehicle, simply wait for the cooldown and try again, perhaps adjusting your 4-second count by a fraction of a second. With persistence, you will significantly increase your chances of driving away in that fantastic podium vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.